Many people know the pelican to be a long-billed bird with a trademark throat pouch, but not many people are familiar with other characteristics of the brown pelican and how a pesticide nearly put them on the endangered species list. The brown pelican ranges up to 4 feet in length with a 7-foot wingspan. The pelican has a grayish-brown body as an adult. They are called the brown pelicans because they are completely brown when they are born. These birds are also characterized by a white head and a brown crown. Creating habitats along the west coast, the brown pelican is naturally a warm-weathered species. California brown pelicans use a lift of air and thermals to aid in soaring. They are also very capable of flap gliding over the open sea in lines or V formations. When feeding, the pelican will circle around a school of fish and then dive down to scoop up the fish. Using their long bills, the pelican will take in large amounts of water and fish in their pouches of skin. This bill can hold 2 to 3 times the material in the stomach. The pelican can hold nearly 3 gallons of both fish and water. The only pelican that is a plunge diver is the California brown pelican. What that means is, pelicans will dive 10 to 65 feet and then skim the surface of the ocean for fish. They rely solely on the ocean as their main food source. Average diet of pelicans consists of anchovies, sardines, and mackerel. They build full-size nests on the ground or in shrubbery, in close proximity to the coast and on islands for feeding purposes. During their breeding season, pelicans' necks turn a dark brown, and their pouch turns a bright red. This breeding factor helps scientists determine what time they are breeding. Another known fact is that they lay an average of 3 eggs in their breeding season. While the adult male and female brown pelicans look the same, all baby pelicans are born entirely brown. Unfortunately, the brown pelican was at one point endangered due to excess emitting of harmful pesticide called DDT. DDT is a pesticide used on crops to kill mosquitoes and other pests. At the time that DDT was being used heavily, people were worried about getting malaria, and they did not believe the pesticide would have an effect on animals because humans weren't affected. The DDT started to affect pelicans first during their breeding season. Pelicans are exceptionally susceptible to a bioaccumulation of the pesticide DDT. This caused reproductive failure by altering calcium metabolism and thinning in eggshells. The shells surrounding the pelican embryo were weakened and broke easily. The reproductive rates fell nearly 50% during the first year that excess DDT was being dumped into the ocean. The brown pelican was listed as an endangered species in 1970. A famous book, Silent Spring by Rachel Carson, claimed the attention on the public and raised awareness of what was happening to the pelicans. This helped the cause of banning DDT. During the 1970s, the use of DDT was officially banned, and there have been strict precautions and restrictions that control the use of pesticides in the US. Almost immediately, pelican reproduction rates rocketed, and they were taken off the endangered species list. A decade after DDT was banned, the pelicans are nearly at their usual rate of reproduction. Scientists do believe that the pelicans will thrive once more.